Okay, Jeffrey Howard here, and I want to share something with you real quick. This is like not a fancy video. I'm just doing this down and dirty, but I've got this little box here. You can see that it says Uforia on it. So let me tell you a little quick backstory, and then I'm going to open the box and we're going to talk about what's in it. First of all, some of you, actually most of you probably know that I'm in the process of releasing my own brand of nootropics. So, brain cognitive enhancement formula that's customized per the individual. And I really am putting together a nice cross-reference of wellness products, peak performance products. Some things are for mindset, some things are for internal, nutrition and general health and clean eating and things like that. So I got to thinking, wow, we're doing all this customized work in the peak performance program. Why would we not want to have a customized nutrition, like your basic supplement, your basic nutrition that you take? Now, I've taken all kinds of things from really expensive to not so much. I've tested a lot of different things. I'm a big fan of supplementation. I feel like, we really don't get the kind of nutrition that we really need to get out of our foods anymore, even when you do eat clean and well. So I started doing a little searching around. Actually, really all I did is put an intention out there, and about 2 days later, a friend of mine called me up and said, hey, have you ever heard of this company before? And this company was called Uforia, and I had not heard of them. It's a fairly new company, just came out this year, and they do a customized form of nutrition where they do a DNA test first. So that made total sense to me. Very professional company, really got some high-level cool technology that they're using. So I went ahead and got on board with that, and I'd love to be able to share that with you, either as the product, or maybe you want to look at this as another side hustle or another product you want to add on to your own line. So what I want to do is I want to open up the box here and share what's in it. And I've never opened the box, I've never even seen the package, so this is all just totally cold. And we'll just figure this thing out together. So first, you can see that is a tamper-evident tape box. So obviously, when you're dealing with your DNA, you want to make sure that you're keeping a pretty solid level of security about that. So let's just open this thing up and see what we've got. So yeah, I've spent a lot of time over the last couple of weeks really reviewing this information and learning more about this company and this product and how they do it. They've got some amazing, pretty proprietary technology for the formulations. They take 100 different ingredients and then they custom match them based on your DNA, what your needs are, what your requirements are. So it's really, really cool. And, relative to what I spend on nutritional supplements already, it's really parallel price-wise. So I'm going to try to do this as quietly as possible because I know these things make a lot of crackly sounds. So we have here, this is the packing slip, so that's not the return slip. All right, so there's a couple things in the box. First is the Uforia Pretrition kit. So I guess everything's in this kit, it looks like. A little bumper sticker, Uforia. All right, so there's that. All right, so this is what the kit looks like. You can buy these in advance to give out to your clients. Or to basically sell to your clients and have this kit so they have it right in their hands as soon as they get excited about having it. I had to order mine. So it includes Pretrition and the free DNA test kit. So the Pretrition is basically all the ingredients. It's a formulation that's designed to clean up your DNA and kind of get you prepared for the DNA customized nutrition that comes roughly about 30 days later. So let's just go ahead and crack open here, see what we got. I love the packaging, by the way. The branding and the packaging, the professionalism of their presentations and videos has been off the charts. So this is what you see on the inside. Again, now you're seeing it before I do, so I have no idea what we're looking at here. So number one, read the instruction card completely before starting your test. Execute the instructions for a successful swab and sealing your envelopes. Register online at UStart and order your lab test. So I guess this is just an introduction card, and then these are the instructions. Again, I'm doing this in real time, guys, so I want to just see how quickly and easily can we do this. So these are a sterile flocked collection device. It's basically a really high-tech Q-tip, and we're going to do that. Let's see here. We've got the Pretrition on the inside. So this is the Pretrition supplement, 180 veggie caps for you to take. Supports the body's ability to repair and maintain DNA, provides support against the effects of aging, enhances the body's natural immunity. So you take this while you're waiting for your customized supplement. All right, now let's see what else we've got here. Here's the discount coupon. So this gives you $100 off the test. The test is normally $199, I believe, is the price. And then we get it for $99 with this $100 off coupon. That's just a one-time thing. You only have to take the test once. All right, so here is, all right, step 2. Quickly insert your swabs as indicated. We're step 1. All right, let me just get everything out so I know what we're dealing with here. All right, so this is the return envelope. It is already pre-packaged and the postage paid. And so there's that. All right, step 1, read the instructions card completely. Well, we said that already. Oh, here it is. Okay, instructions. Register, number 1, with your serial number, credit card on hand, and process your lab test payment. Okay, so I'm going to do that afterwards since, like I said, I'm doing this real time. I didn't know what I was getting into. Remove 1 swab from packaging and swab inside 1 cheek vigorously in a circular motion for 10 seconds while supporting the cheek from the outside. Okay, that sounds fair. All right, so let's open up one of the swab sticks. I love doing these. I have no idea what I'm getting into videos here. So let's see, how do we even open this thing? There we go. All right, so once again, we're going to read the instructions. It says, remove 1 swab from packaging and swab inside 1 cheek vigorously in a circular motion for 10 seconds while supporting cheek from the outside. So, like this, inside the mouth, 10 seconds. Here we go. All right, that seems like about 10 seconds. And then we're going to put that inside the package. Quickly insert your 2 swab packs, all right? Boom, that's in there. Take the other one, it says repeat, do it again, right? Insert swab stick in the black sterile envelope. Repeat step 2 using the second swab on the other cheek. Okay, so now we're going to do the other side. All right, so there we go. Man, this is easy. Okay, so we're going to open that one up. Now we're going to do it on the other side of my mouth here. So here we go. I'm sorry you have to look at my open mouth, but you know what? This is what you're going to have to do when you get it. So here we go. Here we go. Okay, that's about 10 seconds. I'm going to drop it into the envelope and seal the envelope. Pow. Let's just make sure that this says that. Swab another cheek, place the second swab inside, and seal. If they touch, it won't affect the result. Okay, no problem. So there it is. Boom. All right, now place the sealed black envelope inside the white return prepaid envelope and seal. Prepaid envelope, inside and seal. So this is going in. Okay, so I'll tell you what, you know what I'm going to do here? Before I seal this, I'm going to make sure that I register this. Okay, so I'm doing this kind of not in the right order. I'm supposed to go register it first. So I'm not going to seal it yet, but you can see all you have to do is drop it in, peel the thing, seal it, drop it in the mail, boom, we're done. So yeah, that looks like that's all we need to do. Drop the white envelope in the courier identified on the label as soon as possible. So just to be safe, because I'm not really sure if I need this number. I don't want to seal it inside the envelope. So I'm going to do that next. But basically then it's just taking the nutrition for 30 days. They send you back a 35-page DNA report that tells you all about certain markers on your DNA and how they're customizing your nutrition package. So it's pretty cool. Let's just take a look so I can show you how this looks on the inside. Oh, cool. So these are all pre-packaged. Looks like there's a dozen in a pack. And there's 180 in total. So they're packaged for convenience, for travel, whatever you need. And you just take these for the period of time until you get your customized nutrition. That's all there is to it. So if you're interested in checking this out, there's going to be a link somewhere around this video that shows you how to do it. Yeah, so there's codes on the back here too. So I'm going to sort out all this other stuff, and I can't wait to get my test results back and get this customized nutrition. Super excited about this. This is like, the wave of the future in terms of customizing your nutrition. Bottom line is we all, for the most part, I think we all take nutritional supplements of some sort or another, but we don't test for anything typically, and we all sort of take the same kinds of things, whether it's an off-the-shelf thing or a company that's providing this type of custom nutrition through direct selling, whatever that might be. We don't do anything special with that. This is designed to be just for you, exactly what you need for your specific DNA. So that's it for now. Again, I'm Jeffrey Howard, and if you're interested in checking out what's going on with Uforia, look around for the link or a button or something to push to check everything out. And if you have any questions, reach out to me and we'll talk. All right, take care. Thanks for watching.